Realme is likely to shift its focus to the vanilla Realme 16. The Realme 16 Pro and Pro Plus made their debut in early January, and now the base model is starting to surface in leaks. The first images of the Realme 16 have started appearing on X. It will launch in Air Black and Air White color options. We see a Google Pixel-looking camera visor housing 3 cameras, headlined by a 50MP main shooter with a 2-megapixel secondary lens. The cameras are flanked by a selfie mirror, which will allow users to use the main cam for selfies. The Realme 16 is listed with a 6.57-inch AMOLED display offering a full HD Plus resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The panel is said to deliver up to 500 nits of peak brightness. Powering the Realme 16 is the MediaTek Dimensity 6400 Turbo chipset, paired with 8 or 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. A 7000 mAh battery featuring 60W charging. Realme 16 will launch in February. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.